Hey, what is up you guys? It's your boy Jason and welcome back to MyGlamm. Today I'm going to give you guys some quick tips on how to get your makeup sweat-proof. Tinted Perfection. It is a base primer and a pore minimizer. I am personally in love with this product because it has this another property, which is that you can use it to touch up your entire face. It really has is silica in it, and silica basically helps minimize the appearance of pores. It controls oil and sweat. It's a perfect primer. It's good for all skin types. Total Makeover FF Cream Palette. These babies come in 5 different shades for you to choose from. You have SPF, you have primer, you have foundation, concealer, correctors, everything in one go. It has antioxidant pockets which help re-oxygenating and making your skin look fresh throughout the day. And then it also has anti-pollution properties which nourishes your skin, which is something that you want to look for any product that you're going to have a direct contact on your skin. It's amazing for people who also have dry skin because news, even if you have dry skin, you do sweat. Glow to Glam. It's a 2-in-1 product, and I think it's again a very smart and genius thought put into one go because you get 2 things in one. The reflecting property in the shimmering powder mixing with the fixing property does not make my skin look overtly cooked and overtly baked and overtly dry. So once you're done baking with Glow to Glam, I like to dust off the base by doing a combination setting by bringing back the color and warmth on my face. For my outer side that I'm wearing right now is Beat from the Lit Radiant Matte Compact, and then on the center of my forehead, basically under my eyes, bridge of my nose, center of my forehead, everywhere I want light and I want my features to come out more further. So these are the 2 shades that are on my face, and even for serving face to being pretty light, it's not very overwhelming for someone like me who is on a deeper side. It just adds that extra oomph and it gives your bake a little more power, and it really sets your face. I have been loving this combination of color setting and dusting off my bake with 2 different shades of again pressed powders. I think you guys should try this out too. Jet Set Kajal in the shade Black Noir. Again, this product is waterproof, water resistant, it stays put to define your eyes, and it stays in throughout the day. I personally like using it for my smoky eyes, or especially the times I want to do a wing and I want to smudge it off and give it a more grayer side. So if you're looking for a kajal pencil that stays throughout the day, Jet Set Kajal in the shade Noir Black is your product. Moving on to lips. Now if you are gonna go out and drink and dance and sip a lot of wine, you need to look for a product that's gonna stay put throughout. So here I have Lit 2-in-1 liquid matte lipsticks. This is in the shade Overachiever in 1 and 2, and we really put these babies to test and they really perform pretty well. So I think you guys should try this out. So this is all that I have for you guys, all the tricks, techniques and products for you to make your makeup sweat-proof. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to keep yourself updated for more such videos. Don't forget to download the MyGlamm app.